M-A-S.
M-A-S is a mass. And age. A-G-E, yeah, age. You put them two words together, what you get?
Message.
Message?
Yeah.
M-E-S is a message, bad man.
Yeah.
M-A-S is a mass.
Yeah.
And A-G-E, yeah, age. You put them two words together, what you get?
Oh, message.
JNL shock JNL shock watch out already, you know. Yeah, you have video already? Yeah, you don't know your boy JNL. Right now we travel hills, we travel valley, we travel miles. You get me right now within a Portland with episode 16. Me so come, me I finish. Me I go move. As you can see, people are calling me. You see me so? Yep. I want to get you the answer.
Angelo Davis, you can find me on Instagram at online shopping. You can find my personal page at D_15.
Brandon Costley.
You know, sir, Dante.
Dushan, bro.
Tara.
Red Rice.
Red Rice. Where you get that name there?
You know, from my primary school, where I grew up and then just stick on me, I stick on like rice. So I just work with the name there. So everybody born come now, I Red Rice then call me.
Jalil.
My name's Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Yeah.
Alright, Vanessa.
Juvenile.
So that's again.
Juvenile.
Ducks well done.
Ducks?
Well done.
Alright, cool man. Yeah man, big up yourself, Miji. Up man, up. Yeah man, we're there, you know. Yes, I want to ask you two questions to her.
Go on, them
Alright, two on. Alright, watch out now. First question now. What has a head, a tail, but nobody?
Me not know.
Me not know that.
Head and a tail, nobody. That's difficult.
Kind?
See how fast the man get that one, brother?
Tail, but nobody. No, a kind.
I don't know. A head, a tail.
But it don't have nobody.
Me don't know.
What does a head and tail and nobody?
Kind.
Kind?
No, kind man. You don't know. You want Geeta try or you want me to tell you the answer?
Tell me because, you know, when you do that something there, and you see you look at something and tricky.
Alright, yeah.
What have a head and tail and nobody?
Yeah.
A tail. Don't have a tail and a head. But have a body.
Head, a tail, but nobody.
No, that one the tight, you know.
One kind, man.
Yeah.
One kind.
Yeah, man. It's a flipping kind. It's a flipping kind, man. Yeah.
Kind.
Alright, that's the first one, so you get the first one right. Next one now. What has 4 wheels and flies?
4 wheels and flies. 4 wheels and flies. 4 wheel. No, plane have 6.
One plane? One plane have 4 wheel or 3 wheel, one plane have.
Plane.
4 wheel and fly. That's still difficult. It's real hard.
4 what? 4 wheels and flies.
I don't know.
Think about it, man. I can't just give up some G.
4 wheels and fly. I don't know what that is.
We have 4 wheels and flies.
Plane and 4-wheel and fly too.
Yeah, but me don't know if I plane. Well, me say plane, you know.
4-wheel and fly. Garbage truck.
4 wheels and fly. That sound like one cat, no, because you know say cat ever full of fly, no, and a 4 wheel too. Cat, yeah, and cat. I thought wrong still.
Next question, next question.
No man, you have to give it a try, man, you can't.
Four-wheel and fly. Plane have up. 4-wheel and fly. No, sir.
A rubbish truck. Rubbish truck. Yes, a rubbish truck. A 4 wheel and full of fly. Yeah man, I like that man. Yeah man.
Wait, let me see that one now.
What has 4 wheels and flies? Huh?
4-wheel and rubbish truck.
Alright.
4-wheel and fly.
What has 4 wheels and flies?
Garbage truck.
Hey, I don't want to the guitar on the one side.
Tell me.
4-wheel and fly. Garbage truck.
MAS is a must, right? MAS is a must, right?
Right.
And AGE is H.
Right.
You put them two words together, what you get? MAS is a must, right? And AGE is H. What is MASSAGE?
MASSAGE. Message.
Message.
Message. Message.
Yeah, message. No, message. Wait. No, message here, man.
No massage, man.
Massage.
Yeah.
See that? The man get everything right, brother. You see that?
No
Big
buff
up.
BI school, me go on.
What?
No buff BI school, me go on. So yes,
Me gone.
Massage.
2 words together. Come again. Repeat.
MAS is a must.
Yeah.
And AGE is H.
Yeah.
You put them two words together, what you get?
Massage.
You know say I want to give you the answer.
Give me winnings. Are we in here juvenile? You hear that?
Really? No massage.
You put them two words together, what you get?
Oh, message.
You serious?
Me don't know that.
Massage, man.
Message.
Massage.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Massage.
Massage.
Huh?
Massage.
Yeah, massage, you know, but you get it wrong the first.
No, massage.
You
No,
say
no,
message.
you have to delete that part.
Alright, we're gonna delete it. Nah, delete nothing. And now, one more left, man. If MAS is a must, right? And AGE is H. You put them two words together, what you get?
Message.
Message. Message. Yeah, a message you want me saying, but me not say that.
Message, man. Message.
Sure.
100%.
100% sure.
Message. Message.
Tell the camera say you're 100% sure.
So, like, wrong, bro.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Spell message for me.
MASSAGE. Message.
No, man, a massage that, brother.
Massage. Bowel. Yes, for real. Yes, for real. Yes, for real.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching episode 16 of the questions. And you don't know, say, yo, we're there in a Portland. You get to me and say, we travel from we over there, so you get me, people. Watch out now, want to look out for the Nail Squad t-shirts. You get me, they are coming soon. So if you're a true JNELCOMEDY supporter, we know you're getting Nail Squad t-shirt, don't it? Price is not out yet, but look out for it. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like on the video. You don't know, click the notification bell at the same time, and just continue to support we in a little show thing, because you don't know, say, we are go all over, we are go all out, and we're not doing it. You get me, because we don't do half of Jamaica yet. So watch out the peeps, you don't know your boy JNL. I'm out.
Well, you don't know now, King will represent for JNELCOMEDY, you don't know, you know.
JNL.
Oh.
JNL.
JNELCOMEDY. Laugh non-stop. Laugh off for the joke to you see me. I want to big up my page. Kingville Music, Instagram. On for mine, hungry time. Tell the boss, me I come for mine, I'm gone. Big up J O'Neil. Big up.
JNL.
JNELCOMEDY. Laugh off for that again.